Good morning, boys and girls. Hello, it's Mr. Wood from afar on video. Hi. Okay, as you guys can see, we're going to start the trombone. That was just a little bit of an example of jazz trombone. The trombone's been around for a very, very long time. In fact, in the olden days, back when people said thee and thou and Shakespeare was popular, they called this instrument the sackbut. Yes, sackbut. Go ahead, I'll give you a few minutes to laugh about that. Okay, and now we're going to stop. And now we're going to stop. Yes, stop laughing about the word butt. All right, now, boys and girls, the trombone, it's made up of a couple different things. We have our mouthpiece. We have our trombone slide. And then we have the bell part. That's where the sound comes out. These two fit together like so. And the mouthpiece fits right in here like this. Okay? Now, whatever we do on our mouthpiece is going to be amplified through the bell. The way we change the note is by making the instrument longer and shorter. We make it longer by just moving the slide out like this. We make it higher by moving the slide in like this. Okay? Just like whenever you see like a little tiny thing, it makes a really high-pitched sound, right? And a really big thing makes a really low-pitched sound. So the same principle is true on the trombone. When we have our trombone like this, it makes this sound. Okay, and as we move the slide out, the instrument gets longer and the pitch goes down. Same principle, when we have our slide out and move it in, the pitch goes up. And that's a little bit about the trombone. So, I'm very excited to teach you trombone, and I hope you guys are excited to learn. We're going to start today with just the mouthpiece, but before we get there, we have to do just a couple warm-ups. So I'm going to put this down. Now remember, when we have our trombone, just like any other instrument, okay, we are super careful with it. We never step over the instrument. We never throw it down. We always take the most care. We never put it in a place where it's going to get stepped on by somebody else. Okay? So we're taking super good care of these just like we're taking super good care of our guitars. Now, the first thing that we need to know for playing trombone is we need to be able to breathe. Okay? We need to have very good air support. We need to have big, efficient lungs, just like athletes do. So we're going to start by doing a couple breathing exercises. So everybody stand up. Everybody up. And you want to stay right under your dyno, okay? Make sure you're right directly under your dinosaur. And we're going to start having our hands like this, like a cactus. We're just going to do a little trunk twist. Good. Now, I want you to breathe with me, okay? We're going to start with an inhale. Ready? Here we go. And in, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Out. 2, 3, 4. And in, 2, 3, 4. And out. 2, 3, 4. Last time. In, 2, 3, 4. And out. 2, 3, 4. And then just let the arms kind of come back to neutral. Let's try that one more time. Let's get a nice little twist going. Good. Now breathing with me, and in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, ready, in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, last time, and in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, and relax. Okay, everybody take a deep breath in, raise the arms, and side out. Good, again, deep breath in, and without making any noise, side out. Good. Okay, now we have our lungs warmed up a little bit. We're going to do a couple exercises to expand our lung capacity. Because in order to play a big instrument like the trombone, we not only need good lung power, but we need to have bigger lungs than the average Joe. So we're going to work on expanding our lungs. Now, your lungs, if you were able to see them, they go from up here all the way down here, and they also fill up the whole back down to here. Okay? Now, the average person walking down the street only uses about this much of their lungs. Okay? You always see people taking shallow breaths. Right? But when we play the trombone or any other wind instrument, we want to use this amount of our lungs. So we're going to take a breath and we're going to imagine filling up this portion of our lungs first, and then the air fills up all the way to here, and that's when we're full. Then we're using our full lung capacity. Okay, so we're going to go in for 4 and then out for 4. And remember, imagine filling up this area of the lungs and then gradually filling up the rest. Okay, ready? 5, 6, and here we go. Ready? In and out. Ready? In and out. Ready? In and out. Last time, in and out, and now we stop. Okay, well, that should feel pretty good. We're going to try that again, and I heard, actually I didn't hear, but I know that some of you out there, I hear this. That means you're using this much of your lungs. Okay, let's do a quick little exercise. Everybody say the word bow. Ready, go. Bow. Good, with me. Bow. Awesome. Now, I want you to say that word opposite. We're going to swallow that word. Now, I know that doesn't make a lot of sense, but try this. Watch one time, and then I want you to see if you can't copy exactly what I do. Good. Try that with me. Ready? Here we go. And let it out. Good. So we want that sound, that nice open round sound when we're breathing in and out. Okay? So try the in for 4, out for 4, and apply that bow principle. 5, 6. Ready? Here we go. now we stop. Good. Deep breath in, and sigh out. Now, if at any point in this entire class period you starting to feel a little lightheaded, go ahead and sit out for a little bit, okay? As soon as you feel better, join us again, okay? Now, it's normal to feel lightheaded, especially if you haven't been using your lungs to that capacity. Now, some of you athletes, maybe we have some soccer players in here on the team, or just athletes on any other sport and any other activity. You guys are probably used to using your lungs in that capacity. If you're not as active, you might not be used to that, okay? So you might be getting a little lightheaded, and that's okay. We're going to build the skills that we need right now, okay? So take a few minutes to relax, take a deep breath in, and sigh it out. Good. Another deep breath in, and sigh it out. Awesome. Okay, now we're going to expand on those breathing exercises in a minute here, but I want to go on to something different.